About the remarks by the Deputy President, I have not read those remarks. I think when the Commission looks at them, then we shall be in an informed position to give our comments. I have not read exactly what he said, although I've seen some media captions on it. But we shall give our comments on the same and the way forward as soon as we look at the remarks by the Commission. Look at it. I've not read what is said in detail, but as a Commission, all candidates, all aspirants, we don't have candidates yet, all aspirants are bound by the Code of Conduct, and we shall look at his statement and we shall investigate and we shall report to the people of Kenya. As a Commission, we are fully prepared for elections, and the purpose of, say, the MOU today is to ensure transparency, especially in the area of results announcement. We are saying the media will report results at the polling stations. The results will be reported at the constituency tallying centers, and with that kind of transparency and with the engagement of stakeholders like today, they can only complement the transparency on the result day. So as a Commission, we are sure that the results as announced at polling station are final. They'll be availed to you. They'll be availed to the agents of all the candidates. They'll be availed to anybody who has a phone, can take a photo and do their own parallel vote tallying. And so I'm pretty sure that the chances of rigging elections this year are almost nil. So as far as we are concerned, we are confident that the Kenyan vote, any Kenyan who votes, their votes will count.